This is my new washer, and I love it. Not very loud. Works pretty well. The cord is a little short. I had to buy an extension cord, but that's okay. I bought this little dolly underneath in case I wanted to wheel this into the bathroom and put it in the tub. The only thing is, I might get me a couple of milk crates to put underneath to raise it up to make it easier to drain. Goes into the bucket, into the sink. As you can see, it's not very loud. And the spin extractor makes the clothes come out more damp dry than the main washers here in this development. That was louder than it had to be. And just feed it back in there.